Hello class 8. Today we are going to discuss programming question number 12. At first we'll discuss programming question number 12. So what is programming question number 12? Write a program to input the temperature in centigrade. Input the temperature in what? Centigrade, and print its equivalent in Fahrenheit. That means we have to input the temperature in centigrade and convert it into what? Fahrenheit, and print the temperature in Fahrenheit. So what is temperature for the Fahrenheit? F equal to 9 by 5 into C. C means temperature in centigrade plus 32. Okay, this is the formula to convert temperature in centigrade to temperature in Fahrenheit. F equal to F for means temperature in Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So let us see the program. Import java.util.scanner. Util package is imported to use the scanner objects, scanner methods. Public class temp in Fahrenheit, temperature in Fahrenheit. We are going to convert temperature in Fahrenheit. Main method, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. System or println, enter the temperature in centigrade. We have taken this time double type because most of the time temperature comes in the point with the decimal, with the fractional part. The double C equal to ob dot next double. So this is temperature in centigrade what we have input. Double F. F means converting into Fahrenheit, in the bracket double to get the double value 9 by 5 into C plus 32. And system or println temperature in Fahrenheit equal to F. Okay. Temperature in Fahrenheit equal to F. So let us see this program and compile it. Temperature in Fahrenheit. This is the program. Public class temp in Fahrenheit. System or println, enter the temperature in centigrade. This you can make it OB if you want OB. In class 8 we are using the OB object name. The system or println, enter the temperature in centigrade. Double C equal to OB dot next double. Double F equal to double 9 by 5 into C plus 32. System or println temperature in Fahrenheit equal to F. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Enter the temperature in centigrade. Suppose 78.12. The temperature in Fahrenheit is 110.12. Converted into Fahrenheit. Once again see. Right click. Void main. Okay. Temperature suppose 97.23. Temperature in Fahrenheit equal to 129.23. Okay. So simple program. Now let us see the next question. Next question is question number 13. It is just vice versa of the first one, opposite of first one. Write a program to input the temperature in Fahrenheit and print its equivalent in centigrade. This time you have to input the temperature in Fahrenheit, convert into centigrade, where C equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. This formula you have to use. Public class temp in centigrade. Scanner OB equal to new scanner system.in. System or println, enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. Double F equal to OB dot next double. We have taken double type. We have input the temperature in Fahrenheit. Double C equal to double 5 by 9 into F minus 32. And system or println temperature in centigrade. Okay. Now let us execute it in Java. Open temperature in centigrade. Open the program. Exactly same program. Enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. double f equal to ob dot next double, double c equal to double 5 by 9 into f minus 52, and print ln temperature in centigrade. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Okay. Enter a temperature. Alright. So this way we can convert temperature from centigrade to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to centigrade. Now the next question is question number 14. What is question number 14? Write a program to enter amount of purchase. Write a program to enter amount of purchase and print the amount payable if the shopkeeper gives a discount of 50% plus 40%. The shopkeeper gives two discount, first 50%, then on remaining amount 40%. This means that first you get a discount of 50% on the total value and the 40% on the remaining value. So input the amount, calculate 50% discount on that. After minusing 50% of discount, whatever the remaining amount, on the remaining amount find the 40% discount and then subtract, that will be amount to paid. So let us write the program. Public line, I'm just copying here. New class, class name amount. We're going to type the full program. First import line, type import java dot util dot scanner. Okay. Now next line, method line. We have copied from the last program, space it. Enter the amount of purchase. So what you have to type here, the message, enter the amount of purchase. Int amount of purchase AP, for amount we have purchased, equal to ob dot next int. So amount is entered. Now find 50% discount on this amount of purchase. So double discount 1 equal to AP asterisk 50%, 50 by 100. So this is the first discount. So what will be the amount 1? Double amount 1 equal to amount to be purchased minus discount 1, that is 50% of discount. So amount 1 is the remaining amount. Amount 1 is the what? Remaining amount. On this we have to calculate 40%. So double discount 2 equal to amount 1 into 40%, 40 by 100. So you got the 40%. Now what will be amount to be paid? Amount to be paid will be amount 2. The amount 2 equal to amount 1 minus discount 2. Discount 2. So what is saying here? Shopkeeper is giving 2 discount. On a first is giving on amount to be purchased 50% discount. This is discount 1 is 50% discount. So remaining amount is amount to be purchased minus discount 1. Discount 2 is amount 1 into 40 by 100. Double amount 2 equal to amount 1 minus discount 2. So now system dot out dot println amount to be paid. Amount to be paid equal to amount to. Close the method, close the program. Let us compile and check the output. No syntax error. Close as usual. Okay. Amount to be purchased. I'm just writing any figure. The amount to be paid is 10,370. Once again check. Okay. Amount to be paid. Amount was 98,765. Amount to be paid is 29,629 after the discount. So in today's class we have discussed programming question number 12, 13 and 14. In question number 12 we have done conversion of temperature, and 13 also, and 14 we have calculated to discount. So write these programs and practice. Thank you.